2011 Ford Taurus with a completely sun-baked piece of trim here. I'm going to pull this off, show you how easy it is to do. And I'm not going to replace it. They're about $180 for the pair. I'm just going to repaint it and stick it back on if I can get it off without breaking it. You can just see it's toast. First thing I'm going to do is come in from the inside with the screwdriver and just get it in between the car and the car and the molding, and gently pry up. Click, gently pry up, little lift, gently pry up. Do not pry hard on it, it can break, and do not do it from the outside edge, it will break. The connectors are asymmetric and it's intended to be pried from the inside edge. They make plastic tools for this. This thing's so old, it's got 255,000 miles on it. It's 12 years old. It sits outside covered with goo. It's my hoopty mobile, so I'm just using the screwdriver. If you actually care about the car, use a piece of plastic. And that just pops right off. Just a little close-up shot of what these fasteners look like. They're plastic, I'm assuming. After a decade of being outside, they are fragile. They did not break pulling it off this way. And I hope they do not break when I put it back on. So this was actually super easy to get off. I'm going to clean this one up a little bit, and then I'm just going to put a couple coats of, I'm using very inexpensive bottom coating for vehicles. It's got a little rubberiness to it. It'll be better than, I think, just flat paint. Forgot to mention, when you're doing this, always wear safety goggles, safety glasses. A lot of little metal pieces, a lot of stuff flies off a Dremel. You don't want that in your eye. Wear eye protection. All right, so I let this dry for a while, and I think it looks pretty good. So snap it in, you just kind of stick it on and click, 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 click. That's it, super easy. Yep, I think that came out pretty good. I'm going to go back and do the other side now that I like this. And it really didn't take long at all. The hardest part was really waiting for the paint to dry. Is it perfect? No. Do I like it? Yep, good enough for the hoopty. Jumping spider. Jumping spider.